Did Masood Azhar bump off his own step siblings? I mean, half brother and sister? I'm not trying to sensationalize anything here. I'll put forward few facts, I'll put forward audios and videos and show you some documents. I will let you draw your own conclusions. More than anyone, I want this video to reach Jaish-e-Mohammed followers as well as Lashkar-e-Taiba followers so that they know the reality of these Pakistani Punjabi terrorists who have been destroying lives of innocents in the name of jihad in Kashmir and jihad against India. So, by now we all know that Masood Azhar's elder brother, Hakeem Tahir Anwar as he was called, died last week. Many theories were going round. Now, Masood Azhar himself has cleared that Tahir Anwar was suffering from diabetes and due to certain complications, he died. Fine, all looks okay till here. Now, it has come out that Tahir Anwar was Masood Azhar's stepbrother. And did you know that Masood Azhar lost his other step sibling during Operation Sindoor in Bahawalpur last year? This means Masood Azhar lost two of his step siblings back to back within a gap of 11 months. Coincidence? Hello everyone, welcome to Res News. Here's what you should know about Jaish-e-Mohammed, and before we move forward, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. In a recent statement, Masood Azhar explains that his father was married twice. Masood Azhar was the first child of his second wife. And Masood Azhar has two step siblings, a half sister and the eldest sibling, a half brother, Tahir Anwar, who died recently. Masood Azhar also confirmed that his father remarried after the first wife died. Now, we already know through the available information on internet that Masood Azhar is one of the 11 children born to his parents. His father was Allah Baksh Shabir, a school headmaster, a Deobandi cleric, and his mother was Rukua Bibi. Brothers, he has 5 brothers in total, including himself, that means he has 4 brothers. Then sisters, he has 6 sisters. Some reports claim 7, but the standard accounts say 11 children in total, which means 5 brothers and 6 sisters. And let's go by that theory. The family, Masood Azhar's family is from Bahawalpur, Pakistan side of Punjab, and together they all run a base for Jaish-e-Mohammed's activities inside Pakistan. Now, in his recent statement, Masood Azhar says that his eldest sister, who was his stepsister, mind you, he calls her Hazrat Baji Jan. She died during Operation Sindoor. That is confirmed by Masood Azhar himself. So he's clearing that his stepsister died when Jaish-e-Mohammed's headquarters was targeted by Indian forces during Operation Sindoor in May 2025. During one of the speeches immediately after Operation Sindoor, one of the Jaish-e-Mohammed associated preachers said that Masood Azhar was very aware that Markaz-e-Subhan, which is Jaish-e-Mohammed's headquarters, will be targeted by India after the Pahalgam attack. So, Masood Azhar moved out the trainees from that place. Here it means the terrorists who were undergoing training inside Jaish-e-Mohammed's headquarters were moved to a different place.
हजरत मौलाना मसूद अजहर साहब की फैमिली आप अंदाजा लगाएं हमारे
This
उलमा के
audio
दिल की
belongs to Resonant News.
गुलजार भाई वहाँ 1000 तालिब इल्म पढ़ता है 1000 तालिब इल्म को एक दिन पहले उन्होंने कहीं और कर दिया कुछ शक हो
This
गया
audio
पता नहीं कहीं
belongs
ऐसा
to
हो रहा
Resonant
हो।
News.
इस तरह की बातें आ रही थी कि मदारस पे अटैक हो रहा है उसने अपनी फैमिली को वहाँ से दूसरे दिन अलग करना था हालांकि लोग पहले
This
अपने घर
audio
का सोचते
belongs
उसने
to
1000
Resonant
तालिब
News.
इल्मों को अपने बच्चों पे तरजीह दी उसे साइड पे किया इस रात फैमिली को रात गुजार कर उन्हें अलग करना तो फैमिली शहीद हो गई।
Now the question comes, then how come Masood Azhar did not move his own stepsister's family out? So, first, his stepsister died in May 2025. Then comes the news of death of Masood Azhar's stepbrother Tahir Anwar due to diabetes, as is being claimed. Now, both Masood Azhar's step siblings died 11 months apart, as I said, But is that really a coincidence? Had Masood Azhar been a normal individual, I would have believed this to be a very acceptable situation. But mind you, I'm talking about Masood Azhar, who is UN declared global terrorist, who runs a terror group called Jaish-e-Mohammed, and he runs it like his own family business, with most of his family members being part of it. Now here's something more interesting. Out of the 5 brothers, Tahir Anwar, who died last week, and of course it also includes Masood Azhar, Ibrahim Athar, Abdul Rauf Asgar and Talha Saif, only Tahir Anwar, his step-brother, did not get any PR from Jaish-e-Mohammed. Was that intentional? Maybe to keep his brother, his step-brother, away from getting any attention from the masses and followers of Jaish-e-Mohammed. It's very possible. Now that Masood Azhar himself is sick, this has been proven by Masood Azhar's audios in last 2 years, Jaish-e-Mohammed will soon need a new heir, a new chief. So was there an infight between the siblings? Very possible. Honestly, at this point, I should end this video because it is more than evident how Masood Azhar's stepsister was turned into a collateral during Operation Sindoor and his stepbrother died very mysteriously a few months later. I'm not pointing a finger at anyone. I would let you make your own conclusions. Now, here's something else that you should know. That during Operation Sindoor, Masood Azhar lost another family member. This was his sister's husband, Haji M. Yusuf. Yusuf was also famous. Yusuf was responsible for weapons training, handling military and operational training programs at the Jaish-e-Mohammed cadre. He was actively involved in planning and supporting multiple terrorist attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. So again, let me remind you that those who died were either Masood Azhar's step-siblings or, if not related by blood to Masood Azhar, they were Masood Azhar's competitors, just like his brother-in-law, Haji M. Yusuf. What a coincidence. This is a story with another Dhurandhar-like movie, I believe. By the way, Masood Azhar, who we know is a terrorist, was mentored by none other than Pakistan Army. In fact, it was an ISI's brigadier rank officer, and his name was Brigadier Ijaz Ahmad Shah. Pakistan Army and terrorism go hand in hand. India always knew, but the world turns a blind eye to it. So, this bit about the development in Masood Azhar's family I thought was very interesting and should be shared to at least our followers on our channel. Thank you so much for watching and do post your feedback in the comment section. Stay resonant till we meet again.